do you got there, Greg?
Two babies. Should I give her some?
No. She's too little for lemon pudding.
She wants some.
Maybe a tiny little taste.
Amazon here on the floor. We find rush hour traffic.
It's the chronicle of the personal dramas behind groundbreaking expeditions to the frontiers of science, nature,
She just wants to put her fingers.
human endeavor. You'll meet some interesting and innovative people, all of whom are pushing the limits of human knowledge and ability.
It is something from the future, isn't it? That disintegrating away. Exactly. The death ray that heals.
Be an eyewitness to the exciting and momentous discoveries of
Does Ian like it?
new explorers.
Well, I'm sorry to disturb you, but and there's even a fish there. Have you been eating okay? You look at me like you've never seen anything like it before, and I assure you the feeling is mutual.
You like that, Ian?
Daddy?
Is Daddy feeding you lemon pudding?
Do you have any dreams for the future?
Who's that, Ian? Who's that? Who's that? Mama. Who's this? Anna? Anna? Who's this? Daddy.
And who are you? Ian. How old are you now, Ian?
Yeah, two.
Yeah. How old is Anna? She's two, too? And what?
How old are you, Anna? Huh? How old are you?
Who's she giving you kisses?
Yeah, what's that?
Ian, what's your favorite color?
Blue. This is blue, right?
Ooh, yeah.
What color is this? Green, yeah.
Terrorist Abu Nidal is blamed for the assassination of two top Palestine Liberation Organization officials tonight in Tunisia.
Is green your favorite
He
color?
is also dead.
Hmm?
The number 2 man in the PLO is among those killed.
Green.
Chicago's weather tonight calls for fall showers. It'll be most
So this
dense
is
in
yellow.
outlying areas. Temperature
Yeah.
below is 20 near the lake. Tomorrow cloudy, a chance of rain or snow by evening. It's 28 degrees now at O'Hare.
Who's that in the corner, Ian?
Who's this?
Who's that?
What's this? No, what's this? Monkey. You like the monkey?
A single candle meant everything was clear, and if there was 3 candles, it was danger.
Roots of Resistance, a story of the Underground Railroad. Next on the American Experience.
Oh, where's Snoopy? Where? Show me. That's right. I didn't know you knew his name. And Woodstock. Bird. And what is Snoopy? Is Snoopy a dog?
With the